Hi everybody, you are welcome to this channel. Right now we discuss about the topic. It is that 1 molar solution of a solute in water is more concentrated than Molal solution. It is the topic that 1 molar solution in water for particular solute, 1 molar solution and 1 Molal solution, which is more concentrated. The more concentrated is the molar solution. Molar solution is more concentrated than Molal solution. This is the point, and based on this point our discussions. And first we have to know that definition of molar and Molal solution, and then we can solve this problem. Okay, so in aqueous solution, if we take 1 molar solution of any solute, 1 molar solution of solute, it does means that 1 mole of solute in 1 liter of solution. 1 molar of solution of solute in water, it is meant as that 1 mole of solute in 1 liter of, we take it as H2 water. Okay, 1 mole of solute is present in 1 liter of H2 because it is molar solution, and 1 Molal solution of solute in H2O means 1 mole of solute in 1 kg of solvent. That means here 1 kg of H2O. See the differences here. 1 mole of solute dissolved in 1 liter of water, and for the Molal solution 1 mole of solute is dissolved in 1 kg of water. It is 1 kg and it is 1 liter. And in our room temperature, density in our room temperature, density of water is slightly lesser than 1 density. So you understand this point. Okay, then I like to erase these points, and so then we can write it in simple form, that 1 mole in 1 liter and 1 mole in 1 kg of H2O. Okay, and density of water in room temperature is slightly lower than 1. Density is slightly lower than 1 for room temperature. Density of water at room temperature is lower than 1, and for this reason 1 kg 1 liter 1 kg, as density is lower at room temperature, the volume of water higher, volume of water is higher in 1 kg of water, means in 1 kg water volume of water will be higher than volume of H2O volume of H2O is lower because volume of H2O is depend on density at room temperature. Here 1 kg of water has higher volume of H2O is higher in case of 1 kg H2O, and volume of H2O is lower in case of 1 liter of H2O. So generally we can speak here that 1 mole of the solvent, 1 mole of the solute is present in higher volume of H2O, and 1 mole of the solute present in 1 liter of H2O. That means lower volume of H2O is lower compared to than 1 kg than the volume of water in 1 kg. So for this reason here means 1 mole when dissolved in 1 liter of H2O, here the volume of the solvent is lower, but the volume of the solute is constant in both cases. So in case of 1 molar mole of solute constant, but volume of solvent less. In case of Molal solution also, mole of solute is constant but volume of solvent is large. You can write it also here that for 1 molal, here 1 mole of solute is constant, but volume of solution more than 1 liter, because water has density less than 1 at room temperature. So here for 1 molar solution, 1 mole solute present in less volume of the solvent, and 1 molar solution, 1 molar solution, 1 mole of solute is constant, but the volume of solution is more than 1 liter, because here 1 kg means kg is generally kg has higher volume. Kg has higher volume, and for this reason 1 molar solution is more concentrated in this case. 1 molar solution is greater in concentration compared to 1 molar solution, and that is the discussion topic, and it is completed, finished. So thank you for watching this video. You can find other videos related to chemistry, and you can watch that all videos in playlist wise, or you can watch them watch these videos by chapter wise. Okay, chapter wise in the playlist, from the playlist, and don't miss to subscribe this channel, because I will upload this type of video continually that I expect, and I expect that your knowledge will be improved from this type of class. So like and subscribe this channel. That's it.